so I just got this new tilt bucket. It's for, the idea with this is kind of for grading, but you can tilt it for digging like drainage swales or the sides of hills. And yeah, it just plugs right into the thumb circuit on the machine. All right, well, not too much to say about this. Let's go try it out. All right, Levi and Cody are in this spot here. This is a spot where I've been able to grab gravel out of here. One thing I don't, this here, that looks sloppy. I want to take this grading bucket and use it to make this bank way less steep and pull off that top layer of overhanging. All right, Cody, let's get to work, buddy. All right, so that worked good. That was a lot of fun digging that hill back. I've been wanting to do this for a while now and wanting one of these buckets for a while. So excited to have that. I will put the link in the description for that thing. That wasn't even that much money. And I have another job lined up for it next week. Digging out a drainage trench. Probably be real good at doing stuff like that as well. A little bit of practice with the thing helps too, but for the first time using it, that was pretty easy to do. But yeah, that looks way better. I'll get some grass seed planted on this. All right, Cody, did you find some ice? Cody likes ice. All right, well, we're all done here. Look for that next week. I'm digging a trench with this. All right, buddy, you got some ice? You got some ice. You do. Can I have your ice? Let me have your ice.